Dear Dinka learners, welcome back. The topic of today is colors names in Dinka language. Kit, Tongyang, Tongjeng, or Dinka. Let us begin from color number one. 1. Blue. Blue. In Dinka is called Malak. Malak. Yellow. Yellow. In Dinka is called Mayan. Makij. Makep. Or Ayan. Yellow in Dinka is called Mayan. Makep. Ayan. We call it Mayan in Awil. Maket in Bor. etc. Black. Black is Machar or Kinchol. Machar, Kinchol. Kinchol mean black color. Red. Red. Malwal. Kintit. Malwal. Kintit. Green. Green. Mangok. Kingok. Mangok. Kingok or Kinmangok. White. White. Mabior. Kinir. Mabior. Kinir. Brown. Kinmatiang. Kinmatiang. Matiang is brown. Light green. Mangong touch. Mangong touch. Mangong touch is light green like grass. Mangong touch. Purple. Malian. Malian. Pink. Pink. Madol. Malau. Madol. Malau. Light pink. Kin Malay. Kin Malay. Gray. Gray. Kin Malit. Kin Malit. Kin Malit. Dark. Dark. Chol. Machar. Chol. Machar. Darkness. Darkness in Dinka is Moth Ich. Moth Ich. Moth Ich. Orange. Orange. Makech. 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 Light. Air. 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 Shadow. Shadow in Dinka is Atiep. Atiep. Ata. Iep. Atiep. Atiep is shadow. Orange is called what? In Dinka, write it here. I want to learn also. Yenakan, The End by William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pyoj Tongyang or Tongjeng. YouTube name is Dinka English TB5. Please go there and subscribe. We have followers there, subscribers there. We need more subscribers in our YouTube. Please go there and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Facebook page Dinka Awil Dialogue. Also go there and follow this page. TikTok Learn Dinka with Majak. You also go there and follow us in TikTok. Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you next lesson. Bye bye.